Happy Saturday. I had to stop laughing before I could come make this. I was laughing so hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm sitting in my chair watching Lucky Dog with Brandon McMillan on CBS. And I see a male cardinal land on the window that I just had replaced. Right? It's on the outside, of course, because it's an outside bird. So this bird lands on the outside windowsill of that window. And Onyx is laying below the window asleep on the dog bed. Yeah. And when that bird turned around and its tail hit the window, like brushed across the outside of the window, Dracarys jumped towards that window. And I thought he was going to crack his head open. He didn't crack the window, thank God. Onyx jumped so fucking high off that bed. Oh, God. Oh. And then everybody went to the window. Dogs included. Of course, the bird flew away. But as soon as Dracarys got on that window, the bird was gone. But everybody was so curious about what was out that window. Katie, Danny, other two cats. Well, Onyx was still laying. Well, he jumped up. He was sitting over there on the side of the bed, like, what just happened? What? Really? What? Why did you wake me up? He is now currently curled back up asleep under the window on the dog bed. Dracarys jumped so hard and so fast, his head hit that window, and I thought he was going to crack his head open. I wasn't worried about the window. I was worried about the cat. That just made my morning. That just made my whole weekend.